Hello everyone, my name is CA Sumit Ahuja, and this video is part of my AICA Level 2. So in this project, I have created CA Office Suite in which I have created 9 modules. As you can see, there are total 9 modules, and the tools that I have used are Lavables, Visual Code Editor, Cursor, Tray AI, Anti-Gravity. So most of the tasks has been done by Lavables and Visual Code Editor. I have logged in as admin. I have full access to this application, and what are the modules that I have developed, I will simply summarize it. So as you can see, top 3 modules are based on database. All these modules are linked to Supabase database. For office task, each task I can create and assign to my staff member, and they have to complete it. If they are not completing it, it will show as pending. And for attendance, I have given 2 options. One is to mark attendance using button, and one is by using biometric. I have given some additional features like text calculator, billing invoicing, and project report CMA, and PDF tools, document OCR, and notice reply. Here, document OCR and notice reply are using API keys of Gemini. Here, I have to simply go to the notice reply generator, select the file, and select the notice. Will simply analyze it, and automatically it will give me the summary of that notice in the left side, and it will give me auto-generated reply that we have to submit to the department on the right side. Left side we can see the notice summary, and right side we can see the draft reply. Likewise, we can see the document OCR. We can upload any document, even the scanned document. It can extract text from it. And for PDF tools, as this is the web-based application, we have used API of render. We had working Python file, gave it to the render as a Docker file. It simply gave us the API keys. So now I simply upload the files from here, and the Python is not running in my system. It is running in web service of render, the ITR and computation. I will click on it, I will merge it. It will merge and give me the final file. And likewise, if I want to split it, I will go to the split, select file, I will select computation, and I want different pages 1 comma 2 3. I will split. It will generate the split file as well. I will open it. As you can see, there the second and the third page are splitted, and first page is splitted separately. Range wise splitting is also there. We can unlock PDF as well. For example, if I'm going here, I have a TIS file. I will simply enter the TIS file and password for it. It will unlock that TIS file for me, and it is unlocked. And we can also convert bank statements in PDF forms to Excel directly. Also, one thing to note is that in render free version, there is 50-second delay time if the machine is sleeping. So it has converted our bank statement as well. Coming back to the dashboard, billing is basically for our office. If any client is coming and uh, we want to raise the bill, we can simply select the client, add item, say consultancy fee, or we can generate the invoice. The invoice will be generated. One good feature about this app is we can track that it is paid or unpaid. Like this, by default it will go to unpaid. If I check, click on it, it will go to paid, but if I uncheck it again, it will go to the unpaid tab. And we can track this from the dashboard that there are total 4 invoices, and among which there are 3 invoices which are still not paid. So this was the billing invoicing module. Tax calculator, as you can see by the name, we can select the assessment year, the regime, old or new, select the salary. If I type 7 like 60,000, calculate it, it will give me 75,000 standard deduction in old regime. If I calculate with deductions, it will give me standard deduction of 50,000, and the standard deduction will be applied to salary income only, not to other heads. It's basic module for clients actually. And for project CMA module, let's fill all the data. As I'm filling the data, I can click on the show preview button. It will simultaneously show me how it is populating the data side by side. So when I will start punching the financial data, it will populate in real time. I am selecting 20 to 25 as the first year. If I change it, it will also change the corresponding years. It is simultaneously changing side by side. The good feature about this CMA is it auto reconciles balance sheet totals. The balancing figure goes to the cash and bank basically by logic. And simply after feeding all the data, you can see the preview. And when I click the export CMA, the CMA file will be generated and it will have all the tabs, the project at a glance, trading CMA report with member of the signing partner, balance sheet, fixed assets that we have created, working capital, fund flow statement, ratios and DSCR ratios all has been calculated. Coming back to the dashboard, these might seem very small modules, but these have consumed almost 60 to 70% of my time while making this project. So let's go one by one. When I go to the, you can say, client document, I can add any client and set a code for it. I have already added so many clients. I can export this client as well and again re-import it. Also, I can bulk import their document as well. So let's say if I want to import some ITR documents, so I will go to the ITRV, select some ITRs. This data is from Computex, by the way. They have this fixed string to write ITRV, then the code of the client. So it will auto fetch the name of the client and it will import it. So right now I'm importing the client ITRVs. So it uploaded one failed because I client was not found. When I'm selecting these ITRs, you can see the logic file naming convention. You can see that I have set this logic. Therefore, they are linking the ITRs directly to the client itself. Now let's import some more ITRs. If I'm going to a client, I can see his computation ITR. I can download it. I can see it, and the staff member can also go to their login portal. So if I'm so this is basically staff login. Staff can see all the client documents as well. If I'm the documents that I have imported, and if I want to log in as a client, I can simply use the PAN card of the client and the client code. So access client portal, I'll put my PAN number, I'll put it here, and simply after clicking access portal, I can access my documents. This is the client portal. We have limited the features in it. The client can only see their documents only. They can use tax calculator for their taxation purpose. We are offering some free PDF tools and document OCR tools to our clients. The landing page shows are you a client, then go to that client portal, and this is sign in for the staff and office members and admin portal only. If there's some new staff, they can also sign in, but they need staff code that I have made it into a database. No one can simply sign up and become a staff. So now coming back to the admin portal, so we see the bulk import facility, export and importing of clients through Excel, and how the data would be visible to our clients. So now we will go to the office task feature. Here I can add a new task. Say I want some title would be the PF return task to Rohit, and the priority would be, I can say, medium. I will set it to 15th and create task. So once I create this task, it will show me that this task has to be done by the staff member Rohit. If it is completed, I can strike it off. And Rohit, when he will access his portal, he will see that in my task, there's one more task that he has to do. And once he has completed it, he can tick it, so it will be strike off. For last, we have attendance. There should be gap of minimum 7 hours. The logic it is using is that I have checked in 1:52 p.m. So if I mark checkout now, it will mark me as absent. This is my attendance. It is not necessary, but the staff attendance I can see, and I can also download Excel file of the whole month. So this will help us to track the attendance of the staff as well. And now, as we have gone through all the 9 modules, you can see that there are some statistics over here, that there are total this many clients, these many pending invoices, and this month revenue as per billing portal. And today's attendance, we can see over here that staff attendance, there were two staff members who have checked in at this time. There are some additional feature. We can change the theme of our app from light to dark, and we can host it online using AWS and virtual machining Google Cloud. Right now, the code is capable to run this application in LAN. So, if you have any doubt regarding this app, you can directly ping me, and all my details and all the project details are already pushed to GitHub. You can go to my profile, that's TechCA7, and I have already published this project in GitHub repository, and there are instruction as well if you want to install this app to your system. But you have to create environment file by using your own APIs. That's it, guys. This was it. Thank you.